Understanding the phrase, to pass the buck. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, to pass the buck. This phrase is commonly used in both everyday conversations and professional contexts, so understanding its meaning and usage is key for effective communication in English. The phrase, to pass the buck, has an interesting history. It originated from the game of poker in the 19th century. A buck, which was a marker, such as a knife with a buckhorn handle, was used to indicate the person responsible for dealing cards. When this person didn't want to deal, they would pass the buck to the next player. Over time, this phrase took on a broader meaning. In modern usage, to pass the buck means to shift responsibility or blame from oneself to another person. It's often used in situations where someone avoids taking accountability for their actions or decisions. For example, if a team leader blames a team member for a project's failure, instead of acknowledging their own shortcomings, they are passing the buck. To better understand, let's see some examples. When the project failed, the manager tried to pass the buck to his team. In an attempt to pass the buck, she blamed the traffic for her lateness, not her lack of time management. It's important to recognize and avoid passing the buck in professional settings. This behavior can lead to a toxic work environment and a lack of trust among team members. Instead, fostering a culture of accountability and open communication is crucial. And that's a wrap on to pass the buck. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase correctly in your conversations. Remember, effective communication is not just about language proficiency, but also about understanding the cultural and contextual nuances of phrases like these. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.